Welcome back to Cam's Classics. Another day, another car show. We did get the Oldsmobile 442, so you can see trailers behind us. A little bit of a distance to go before we get to the show, but we'll bring you this show and show you the 442, and basically it's completed for them. We still got a couple little things, but most of the gremlins are taken care of.
Coming for a while.
So we made it to the show. This is the Veterans Alliance car show. It's at Wheeler Farm in Salt Lake, Utah. Nice venue, a lot of really nice cars here, so let's go ahead and get started with a 54 Buick Skylark. Nice white walls. Yes, it's fake. It won't get all over the car. Really nice car. I really love it. Here we have a 49 Chrysler Town & Country, and no, it is not a minivan. Just a predecessor to one. Love the wood doors.
Hi, Brother Mark. Hello. I'm Jackie. Nice to meet you.
Brother Mark.
I know.
So, predecessor to the minivan. Here we have a 55 Ford Sunliner, Fairlane.
Original color, all of the how the interior. We redid the
Somebody spilled the ice cream in the back seat.
So this part of the work, you really know how to do this.
Yeah, these are a little older.
This is good. So this car and the blue one.
Did I miss the drive-in? Here's a 53 Buick Skylark. Love the hood ornament on this.
You know, I've always wanted one of these.
Got the V.
Limited version of this, which is the lowest model, same color. No,
Target,
it's like
I guess.
The same color, this color. And then the Woody Town & Country is the highest. This one is the lowest. This one, I want this color. It'd be the standard.
Continental kit. Very shiny. So, really I'm loving these early 50s cars. Kind of the Art Deco style. Here we have a 56 Pontiac Star Chief. Hood ornament on it.
You know, I don't know.
Looks like an airplane. And I'm not positive, but I believe this front glass part lights up.
I mean, these
Are
are in perfect condition.
I'm like, these are in perfect condition. These are gorgeous.
Love the embossing in the seat there. So these 50 cars are all really well done, and you know there's a lot of money in them because all the chrome is perfect, and that costs a lot of money. Here we have a 49 Studebaker pickup truck. I'm not going to show you the engine quite yet. I love the bed, not oak. Wish the tailgate still folded down, but
Oh man, I'm gonna walk slow and look at all of them. I'll get to that one. Custom S10.
here's the business end. Big giant Hemi. Really nice, really well done truck. Not very often do I come to a car show and I'm disappointed. Nice vehicle though. It's a Chevy pickup, first generation. Probably late 40s, early 50s. Got the straight six. Here's the part I'm very disappointed in. Don't tell me there's ice cream and then there'd be no ice cream. Here we have a 1970 Ford Torino, and it does have the 429 Super Cobra Jet. And the weird avocado-y green color. But you know, it goes really well with this interior.
Oh, that's great.
That'll be way cool.
So not my favorite color, but it's actually a really good color combination and it does go well together. So here we have a 37 GMC. Or Chevy small block. Oh, bad, we are missing the panel here. Oh, pretty nice car. Truck, I guess I should say it's a truck. So here we have a 68 442. We'll show you our R66 a little later. But this 68, just look how much different it is. It's so rounded. Slope back.
18s to 21s are great. And they'll just bolt right off.
So, which style do you like better? Pretty partial myself to the 66 style, but
Was it much for, you had to take off a lot of
these
shoes?
are nice as well. Bring you this one. It's a 2015 Trike. The Boss Hoss. This is the neat thing about the Trike. That is a car engine. V8. Nice pinstriping. Other half, and the more I look at it, that is an LS. So, plenty of power, probably a fun bike to ride. Here's a pretty uncommon one, a 49 Mercury truck. So that's where the Mercury comes from. The Greek god, I believe it's Greek god. I did some neat work on this bed. I don't know if you can see the veining in it. Really nice though. Like I've always said, don't be afraid to get to the back corners of the show. We're in the back corner, and here's a very nice 1969 Dodge Super Bee. .383 Magnum. Kind of a weird green color, but I like it. White vinyl top, white seats. The Super Bee logo. So, really nice car out here in the corner. There are a lot of early 50s cars here. Here's a 54 Mercury.
It does. But damn.
It goes from a little grind to
Hope you can see it. The controls for the heater, air conditioning vent, they're up here on the steering wheel. Just a nice Monterey. Here we have a 56 Dodge. Little rat fink guy. Nice hood emblem. I kind of like that the hood doesn't open, it just opens on the sides. Nice ram on the glove box. Just a nice truck. So here is a 71 Volkswagen Beetle. Nice surfboard. Nice Volkswagen Beetle. She still telling me no, but I'm wearing her down. Okay, I did not know what this one was. What I thought it was is not what it was. I thought it was a Mini Moke or a Austin Mini. It is a Nissan POW. 1990.
Thank you. Good job.
If you would have asked me, I would have bet money that was a British car, not a Japanese car. Here we have a 59 Cadillac, and right next to it we have another one. Love these long boats. Beautiful color combination. It's a Fleetwood. Love the dual missile lights. Love the fins. Love this car. I'll actually take you to a different one. This one's the 58 Eldorado. This wasn't, I didn't see this one originally. It's not the Cadillac I was going to show you. But I seen it out of the corner of my eye. Suicide doors. They've done a brushed stainless roof on it. Again, love the fins. A very nice car. But let me show you the other Cadillac, because I was going to show you it's a 41. Oh, 150 horsepower in the 346. Nice hood emblem. Three very beautiful Cadillacs. Love every one of them. I'd take any of them home. The only thing I would have changed on the 41 is I may have done an accent brown, a darker brown. Did an accent on the roof area. But other than that, it's still a beautiful car. But I would have maybe done that. Here we have a 63 Lincoln Continental. I have a lot of respect for these cars. They're very nice when they're well done. This one is well done. Suicide door. I've seen so many of these cars wrecked, it's not even funny. These are a very good derby car, but they're also a very good restoration car. So, kind of depends on what condition they're in. So now this is probably the ugliest car of the show. It's our 1966 Oldsmobile 442. It's actually really nice. Got Gizmo and Slothy. How's the driving going? Perfect. Says it's fun. So we did finally get it all done. The only thing we still have that I know of is to set the speedometer. That's a fairly simple task. We just got to get it done. Hi, welcome. As you can see, I stole the camera from Cooper because I thought this Harley Davidson was really pretty and a lot of work went into it. It's airbrushed and everything, and it's a tribute to the veterans. So I wanted to show this to you, so I'll show you these pictures. As you can see, this has got 2 Chinook helicopters on it right there. Big eagle here on the front. Got a fighter jet on the, and if you come on over here,
Like, I have a black screen.
here, really pretty, really nicely done. Somebody really put some time in on this. Hello.
How you doing?
Good.
Take your time.
I'm amazed at this. I really am. I looked at it earlier.
This guy here done it. Brandon me, I
And I
guess.
can see it very, very,
He's the
very
best.
faint.
Thank you.
Anyway, I'm here talking to the owner of this. He's telling me a little bit about it, and it's really great.
It was at 83% there. Now I found it.
Now look at the detail on this.
Took him 8 months
It says it took about 8 months for the guy to airbrush this.
This is his car too.
What a beautiful tribute to the veterans.
Well, if you don't, I'm gonna, so I thought you were going to. I pulled my phone out now,
Thank you. Here, this is the other side of it.
You might have a better
And this is the one that I really like right here, because that's what I done in the service with helicopters. So, but this is one beautiful Harley Davidson trike. So this is probably my favorite car of the whole show. I'm not sure of the year. I'm gonna say late 20s, early 30s. It's a Prinzing.
I was going to be working out of the prison.
So again, probably my favorite car. It's very nice, very neat, very well done. That is this for this car show. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.